Hello guys. So is cloud in demand? Uh, Many people come to me and ask this question that is cloud is in demand. So my simple answer to that is there's nothing as cloud. Okay, first you have to make your concept clear. Okay, you have to declutter the clutter around the marketing and the hype. So there is nothing as cloud. Okay, first of all, try to understand this thing. If you're aspiring to learn, let's suppose some cloud computing services like AWS or Azure, and you've heard from somebody that okay, cloud is in demand, I should go and learn Azure or AWS. Uh, Hold for a moment. First of all, try to understand what is there in the cloud. Okay, first, again, I am repeating the same thing. There's nothing as cloud. There's nothing as cloud. You can't learn cloud without the computing part. ओके सो अभी हो क्या रहा है मार्केट में कि क्लाउड का बहुत डिमांड है, क्लाउड का बहुत डिमांड है, बट कंप्यूटर्स क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग है, वो दैट इज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, दैट इज नॉट क्लाउड. So cloud computing, the cloud is the first word, second word is computing. So people are not focusing on the second word computing. They're focusing on the first word cloud. That is wrong. First focus on the second part, that is computing. That is the base. So if you don't have the base, how can you? What is the point of learning cloud? It is useless. So first of all, you have to learn computing, computer science. Then if you are good in computer science, then you can go and learn what is cloud, what are the services which can help you in deploying applications and building modern world applications. That is fine, I agree with that thing. But if you remove the computing part, just learn cloud services like Azure, it is totally nonsense and useless. Okay, so people are not aware, especially freshers are not aware of these things. Many people ask me, sir, I am studying in MCA, in BTech, should I learn Azure or should I do some certification? I say okay, it's plus point if you can do, but that is, if you ask me that what you should do, so I will say instead of going for Azure, why don't you do Linux certification? Why don't you learn something on networking concepts? Okay, because see, the problem is that these are the tools. Anyway, you can learn those things in companies, or and anyway freshers are not mean to learn those things. Okay, it will not make sense to you in the first instance. Okay, so computing part is the main thing. What is computing part? Okay, and there is nothing as a cloud developer. Okay, many people say, okay, I want to become an Azure developer, I want to become a AWS developer. There's nothing as Azure developer or AWS developer or Google cloud developer, is nothing as that. See, if you are a software engineer, you will do either two things. One is you will write code, or you will become an admin. You will not write code. Only two things are possible. So in computing science, in computer science, you take two roles. Either you go to the admin side, you want to manage the server administration part, networking and all those things, or you want to write code, do programming. Okay, so similarly in cloud computing, okay, you have to decide that okay, whether I am a software engineer, I want to become let's suppose a developer of mobile app developer, or I want to become .NET developer, Java developer. And when you become a Java developer, .NET developer, Python developer, then how to deploy those things on cloud? Then you become a cloud developer, but the base is the core part. That is Python, Java, web development, mobile app development. That is the core part. Okay. Similarly, if you learn Linux or Windows, how to manage the Windows server machines, networking, and then you learn cloud computing, like okay, how to do make virtual machines on cloud, or how to manage the virtual private network or virtual network on cloud, then it will make sense. But if you directly, without having any background on computers, and you some goes and say okay, that I want to manage network, it is like what, I can't say anything. Okay, so don't follow what people institutes are saying, okay, or even your professors are saying, because they are also not aware of the actual thing what is going inside the industry. Okay, so if you ask me what you should learn, you should learn the core skills, The core skills is either you go to programming field, or either you don't like programming, then you can learn Linux, Unix, networking, and all those things. You want to become an administrator, then that is okay. And then you can learn cloud, that is also fine, because cloud is definitely companies are asking for that thing. But see, base is your computing, and then the cloud comes here. What is happening? People are just learning cloud, but the base is not there, and then how do you expect to get a job or get some recognition in the market? So don't do this thing, and please understand what is cloud. Okay, do more research. Ask your like somebody if you work in industry, please ask them, because they will better tell you what is that cloud. Will not take much time. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this thing. Thank you.